Hey everyone, in my other video I did a unboxing of the Roav Bluetooth Receiver. This is model B2, and in this video, as I mentioned in that one, I'm doing a install here. And like I say, it should be pretty straightforward and pretty easy and just take a couple minutes. But I am here in my Dodge Journey, and unfortunately this model did not come with Bluetooth, even though it's a 2017 model. Kind of makes me scratch my head. But fortunately for me, in the front dash, being the steering wheel here, if you go down in this little cubby, there is both an auxiliary and a USB, which is perfect for this setup. So what I'm going to do is plug this in here. So I plug the USB in first, and then next I'm going to plug in the headphone jacks. So go ahead and put that in the aux spot right there. And then from there, I'll just switch my audio to, it says aux device right there. So obviously I'd have to switch to source anytime a call came in. Now this cord is going to be plenty long for what I need, so I can definitely figure out something positive that I want to do with this. I would probably maybe hide these wires and put it in here, make sure my microphone's facing me, potentially over here. So if you have this device and you mounted it somewhere, or just seeing my vehicle, if you have a recommendation as to where to put it. The other thing I was thinking is maybe hiding it, running it underneath here and over to this center console here, because I'm sure that would give decent sound also. It's definitely not magnetic, but I don't know that I have a lot of metal in my car anyway. But I'll just have to figure out a place to mount this. It did not come with any mounting tape or Velcro or anything like that, so that's a little disappointing. But there's definitely a number of possibilities. I could probably even put it down here. So I'm going to go ahead and pair this right now, and let's go ahead and do that. Now that my pairing is complete, you see that the color of this is blue. So for the moment, I'm just going to put this up here on my little cubby shelf here, but that's just a temporary solution. And I will, test it out with music real quick. So let's see if that's something I can't accomplish at the moment while still recording here from my phone. And I actually just did a test. The music is working. However, when I actually try to do the camera as well as the music at the same time, it's not working. So I'm able to film this, but not playing the music while I'm filming. I have to get another camera, so I'm not going to do that at the moment. So anyway, this definitely works very well. And it was a pretty simple installation here, and that's essentially it. If you're interested in learning more about the unboxing of this, then click on the link above, and I'll post a comment to that. If you want to see my video on the Dodge Journey walk around, then I'll do that here as well, and put that in the link here as well. And thanks again for watching. And if you've learned something here, or if you have something similar, let me hear about it in the comments section. Thanks for watching, and let me know what other videos you'd like to see me do. Thanks, and we'll see you on the next one.